Now we can do some blinking. Let's just, first of all, just create some animation for the blink. Set some frames. I'm gonna delete the frames that we have. And for the lower eyelids as well. Let's set a keyframe. Oh, nice. And a blinking usually takes about 3 frames to close 2 to 3 frames, and mostly the upper eyelid is the one that is moving. Need to switch rotation center to individual origins so we get good rotation. Yeah, somewhere to here the upper eyelid is working, and some here, around here, the lower eyelid. So let's just look at the motion. Yeah. Now I'm gonna select all of these and just in 3 frames, or 2 frames actually. But no, opening takes longer, so maybe even 4. I'm gonna press Alt R to reset the rotation nowadays in this frame. Okay, I have the animation. Now let's find a good place for it, and I'm thinking time where it lands is quite a good time because of the hitting the floor, the reaction is natural. Let's copy these keyframes and paste them here for another one. Again, like here, I definitely need the eyes to be closed. Oops. I need my mouse to be in the curve editor, in the graph editor, for the paste function to work. And here in the end, let's try and add a couple of really quick, cute blinks. So this one I'll animate manually. Don't want to copy paste the frames that we have. And a little bit of the movement of the eyes, and we'll be done. The eyes have this tendency to do really quick micro movements when it's looking at something, and I'm imagining that our character is looking at something in this part. Let's add some more of these micro movements so we just have enough, a couple frames after the movement ends, so we can fix the pose. Basically, so we give the viewer time in this pose before the scene ends, so it doesn't feel rushed. Because if it would end here, it would be a bit too soon. And maybe I'll move in, add another movement here. A little swing. I'll add another blink here. This one we can actually copy. This one I also want to stretch a little bit. This is like a calm blink. From 2D cursor and across X. Maybe even calmer. And I will end, well, the final facial expression, if we could call it. I'll lower the upper eyelids a little bit. And raise the lower ones, just to give him some other facial expression. And let's change the looking direction to camera. This eye movement is happening in the wrong moment. Okay.